Hi, V. Oh, V. Hi. Good evening, V. It's wonderful to see you again. It's been a long time, V. How are you now? Okay, that's good to know. So, what did you do today?
Today I read a book
Hmm?
and finished a English workbook.
What is the title of that book?
A workbook.
Oh, it's a workbook.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good. V, you are slowly emerging and engaging yourself to English once. What about yesterday? Did you go
Yes,
somewhere with your family?
yes. I go to Ningbing.
Oh, you went to Ningbing. What did you do
Yes.
there?
I swim.
Oh, you swam. When did you go to Ningbing
I go to Phố
Island?
Halu. I
Phuket?
went Phố Halu.
Oh, Phuket
Yes.
Island too. Wait, is Ningbing near Phuket Island?
No. Phố Halu. Yeah.
Oh, it's not Phuket Island.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know. I'm not familiar with that place, V. When did you go there?
I buy ice cream.
Oh, okay. When did you come home, V? Just today or yesterday?
Yesterday.
Okay. Well, I must say that was a weekend well spent, V. Nice. You had so much fun with your family. Now we will have the continuation of our discussion. We have here talking about dinosaurs, right? Okay, so we have here feather, V. Okay, wait, let me get my pen. This is feather, feather. This is the tail. Okay, each one of it, V, this is the feather. Okay, but all in all, wait, let me see if I am. Okay, this is a close up of feather, V, but of course, if you have more than one of this, we call it feathers. Okay, feathers like these. These are feathers, V, feathers. But all in all, it's what we call wing. Wing, or if it's two wings, wings. And we have here the tail, V, and the claw. Claw. Which is your question? Which was your question last week? What is a claw? Okay, so this one, V. So, yes, we will be talking about the dinosaurs. We even have a dinosaur song, V. A to Z. Maybe I'll let you listen to it later. Now, let us have this one first. I want you to read it. Can you read this one aloud, V?
Dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. Some dinosaurs ate plants and some ate animals. They were all very different. What did they look like? One. Me copy. Later. Some dinosaurs had feathers. They lived in trees and at look like birds. Tuck. Hmm. Beep. Those. Hmm. Hmm. Teacher.
Yes,
Well,
V.
I can I don't know talk here.
Okay, that is Diplodocus.
2. Ephelacus. Some dinosaurs had tails. These were some of the biggest dinosaurs. The tails were 14 meters long. 3. Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus. Some dinosaurs had claws. This dinosaur was 6 meters long. Its claws were 25 centimeters long. Pterodactyl. Some dinosaurs had
Pterodactyl. V. Pterodactyl.
pterodactyl. Some dinosaurs had wings. They use the wings to fly. The wings were 2 meters long.
Okay, yes, thank you so much, V. As we know, right, dinosaurs lived millions of years ago. They've existed, but now we can't see them anymore. They're long gone. Some dinosaurs, they ate plants and some ate animals, V. So they were all very different from each other. So now the first one, this is a Microraptor. This one, we see it had feathers. Yes, of course, since it has wings, it can fly. And they even lived in trees and looked like birds. Now, the next one, this is the Diplodocus. Okay, Diplodocus. This one, this big one, it had tails, and these were some of the biggest dinosaurs. Not just this one, we have more big dinosaurs as well. V. Next one, we have here the most common, I would say, it's the Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay, so it had claws, as you can see, and as well, this was 6 meters tall. Now, the last one is pterodactyl. Yes, it has wings as well and it can fly. So that is all about these four dinosaurs. Now in here, let us answer it. You have to tell me whether it's yes or no. So the first one is
False.
the mic. I'll look like fish, of course. It's false. Now the Diplodocus was a big dinosaur.
True. True.
Mhm. The pterodactyl had wings.
It's true.
And the Tyrannosaurus rex used its wings to fly.
It's false.
Okay, yes, very good. All correct answers. We thank you so much for that. Okay, now let us have this one. Listen, and fill in the chart. We have here still these are dinosaurs. We have here Quetzalcoatlus, Brontosaurus, Triceratops, and Velociraptor. Okay, let us hear the audio and fill in the
Page 51. E. Listen. Fill in the chart. 1.
Quetzalcoatlus. This dinosaur was like a big bird. It had wings.
2.
Brontosaurus. This dinosaur was very big and had a very long tail.
3.
Triceratops. This dinosaur was big. It was 9 meters long. It had claws. Scientists think it was gray.
4.
Velociraptor. This dinosaur looked like a bird. It had small feathers.
Okay, there you have it, V. And you're able to answer it correctly. Now, let us have the next one first. And here you have to answer the puzzle. Okay. Find the words. First
Hmm.
one, what is it? Can you encircle it? Oh, we have it
Uh,
already. Okay, it's the
wing.
example. Wing. Okay, next one, B2.
Tail.
Yes, 2. Oh, tail. Okay, yes, we have it here. Tail.
Hmm. Hmm. Raw. Yeah.
Okay, that is claw. Yes, and last one, V.
Uh, Phaser. 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 Where is the phaser?
Where is the feather? After the workbook, V, I will show you the Dino song A to Z. So you'll be familiar with it.
Where is phaser?
Yeah, where is feather, V? Can you see it? Because I can see it.
Hmm.
Can you see it now, V?
Where is phaser?
You have to find the letter F. If you can find it in here, V, see it's F, but we can see feather, so we'll mark that X. In here too, we'll mark the X. You have to find all the F letters, and if you can't find the word feather there, you have to mark it as an X. So you can see the word feather.
Here.
hmm Can you see it?
Here. 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 Here.
Can you see it? Can you encircle it, V?
No have.
Oh, because that is not how we spell feather. We spell it like this.
Here, here,
Feather.
here.
Okay, there you have it. Yes, that is it, V. Now, since we're done with that, let us have this one. Okay, match it, V.
Some dinosaur has claws. Some dinosaur has feathers. Some dinosaur has wings. Some dinosaur has tail. I finished.
Okay, done. Quickly, quickly. Okay, let us have this. In here, you have to fill in the chart V. Pterodactyl. They
Hmm.
have Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Can you still remember it?
Is wing.
Mm-hmm. What about Diplodocus? Okay.
What about a feather? Another is a claw.
Okay, yes, very good. Yes, you can remember it. Now in here, which dinosaur do you like?
Oh,
Which one do you like? You can draw a dinosaur
I
there.
don't like dinosaur.
Oh, you don't know
Yeah.
the dinosaurs. Then wait, V. Since you don't know the dinosaurs, then I'll show you the dinosaurs so you'll know them. I'll show you a song about dinosaurs A to Z, and after let's do that activity.
Oh, Vietnamese.
Wait,
Vietnamese.
wait. A to Z. Vietnamese.
Tôi sẽ cho các bạn xem một video về khủng long từ A đến Z và sau đó chúng ta cùng làm hoạt động đó nhé.
Okay.
Okay.
For a moment. Mm,
Dinosaur. Okay, I see. Ping pong. Ping pong. Dino ABC, Dino ABC, sing dinosaurs A to Z. Dino ABC, Dino ABC.
Come on, sing with me now.
A,
Ankylosaurus,
Okay, Ankylosaurus.
Brachiosaurus,
Brachiosaurus.
Compsognathus, Deinonychus, Elasmosaurus,
F,
Fabrosaurus,
G,
Gallimimus, Hadrosaurus, Iguanodon, Jaxotosaurus,
K,
Kentrosaurus,
L,
Lambeosaurus, Megalosaurus, Nodosaurus. It's time for a chorus.
Dino ABC, Dino ABC, sing dinosaurs A to Z. Dino ABC, Dino ABC, sing dinosaurs A to Z. O,
Oviraptor,
P,
Protoceratops,
Q,
Quetzalcoatlus,
R,
Rhamphorhynchus,
S,
Spinosaurus,
T,
Tyrannosaurus,
U,
Utahraptor, Velociraptor, Oneonosaurus, Xenotarsosaurus,
Y,
Yangchanosaurus, Zigongosaurus. Let's sing
Dino
together.
ABC,
Okay, there you have it, V. Is there a dinosaur that you like? What letter? What letter of dinosaur do you like?
C.
It's C? It's C? Wait,
I know.
C. Oh,
T.
you know?
T.
C? Oh, T. Tyrannosaurus?
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Where is the Tyrannosaurus?
No. Here.
Oh, in there? Oh!
T.
Tyrannosaurus.
Okay, so you want that one. Okay, let us draw that one. Remember that dinosaur, V? Okay, let me share my screen again here. Okay, can you draw it?
Yeah. Yup.
Let me see.
No, 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 no. I'm not here. Here, 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 here. Here and here. I like two.
Oh, you like two. Okay. Why do you like Diplodocus and Tyrannosaurus Rex?
Tyrannosaurus is big.
Okay,
And
yes. And Diplodocus?
Diplodocus has a long tail.
Oh, okay. That's why you like it. I see. Thank you, V. Now let us have this one. What does the cat have? It has claws and
A tail.
okay, yes,
No,
very good.
tail.
Yeah, that's
A
correct.
feather.
No, not a feather, V. Not a feather. Tail. Okay, tail.
Oh.
Cat doesn't have a feather. It has a fur.
Con mèo không có lông vũ, nó có bộ lông.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
A feather is different to fur, V. Now, what about fur too? What does the bird have?
The bird has feather and
And and
I don't know.
what are these?
A feather. A wing.
Feather.
A wing.
Yes, wings. Okay, wings, V. Now, what about for three? What does the lizard have?
It has a long tail
Okay.
and a glass.
A claw.
Here.
Okay, thank you so much for that. V, a claw and a long tail. Now, let us proceed to the grammar animations of Unit 5, Lesson 4. V, for a moment, let me prepare it. Okay, wait. Let me share it again. Okay, so can you match it, V?
Yeah. Dinosaur has claws. Some dinosaur has
Mm-hmm.
a feather in the tail. I am finished.
Wait. Oh, wait. Next one, V. Fill in the gap.
The dinosaur has a wing.
Okay, some dinosaurs had wings. Okay, some dinosaurs had wings. Next one.
Some dinosaurs have two.
Very good, V. Next one. Some dinosaurs.
Some dinosaur has tail and claws.
Okay, yes, very good. Had tails and claws. Next one.
Some dinosaur has
And
feathers, claws, and tail.
very good. Tails. Okay, there you have it, V. Now let us proceed to another one. Okay, we have here Unit 6 being creative, talking about arts. You like art, right? Do you? Do you like art, V?
No.
Oh no, but when we say art, it's not mainly talking about drawing, painting, V. It as well talks about singing songs, making movies, writing stories, designing clothes, painting pictures, and making models. These are all arts, not solely about drawing and painting. Do you like to do any of it, V?
No.
No, you don't. Okay, so you don't really like art. Okay, V. Now we'll continue the rest of that one next meeting. But wait, you know how to sing, right? You like to sing.
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yes, sir.
Oh, yes. You even know how to play a piano.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, so we'll continue that one next meeting. Thank you. Be good night.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.